Hello, I'm Amy Rose. We will learn about floating egg experiment. In this video, this is a basic experiment. You know, egg is widely used in breakfast meal. You people can find out why the egg in the water sinks to the bottom, and the other has to float upwards. Remember the keyword, it is dependent on its buoyancy. Where buoyancy is the force that causes the objects to float. For the first case, let's take a glass of water in the first step using tap water. And second step, put the egg in a glass of water. Now, the egg in the water sinks into the bottom, as it is a bit heavier. And for the second case, pour surplus amount of salt in the tap water. It looks grayish, but you have to mix it with spoon. This turns the tap water into salt water. And you have to put the egg again just like in the first case, now in a salt water. As you can see, the egg has started to float. Why does it happen? This shows that the egg is less dense than the salt water. The density of a material decides whether it will sink or float. You may have noticed that we put salt in the water has increased the density, and the egg has its least density, so it begins to float, known as buoyancy. So this experiment is easy to use, can be tried this at home, called the floating egg. Like, comment, and subscribe now.